Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Interactive Brokers platform for Forex trading. First, you'll need to open an account. Start by filling out the online application with your personal and financial information. Next, you'll verify your identity and address by uploading necessary documents, like a passport or a recent utility bill. Once approved, you can fund your account using various methods, such as a bank transfer. Remember, individual accounts generally require a minimum deposit of $2,000 to begin trading. Once your account is set up, it's time to navigate the trading platform. Interactive Brokers offers the powerful Trader Workstation, or TWS, desktop application, which is packed with advanced features. For trading on the go, their mobile app provides a streamlined experience. You can customize your interface by adjusting layouts and creating watch lists to track your favorite currency pairs. For dedicated Forex trading, be sure to utilize the specialized FX Trader tool within TWS, designed for currency markets. Now, let's place your first Forex trade. In the Trader Workstation, navigate to the Forex tab and search for your desired currency pair, perhaps your USD. To initiate a trade, simply click the bid price if you wish to sell the base currency or the ask price if you want to buy it. You'll then specify your trade size, typically in units of the base currency, like 100,000 units. Finally, select an order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price. After placing your trades, monitoring and managing them is crucial. Use the activity monitor in TWS to keep a close eye on your open positions and trade executions. Effective risk management is key. Always consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take-profit orders to secure gains. Be aware of margin requirements, which can be as low as 2.5% for major currency pairs. Continuously review your trading performance and adapt your strategies to evolving market conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.